Now moving forward to the shift instructions, basically these instructions will shift the values to the right or left as per the instruction. For example, first instruction is SHL. That is basically that instruction will shift left. For example, you can see in the figure 12.6 that this register will shift the values toward left. For example, in that case, the MSB will be transferred to the carry flag, and a new bit, that is basically 0, will be inserted at LSB location, and basically a new bit 0 will be inserted at LSB location, and the bit placed at LSB will move to the next location. Similarly, the bit placed at second location will move to the third location, and so far so on. The bit placed at the MSB point will transfer to the carry flag. For example, in this case you can see an example that is basically SHL BX comma 4. So that will shift the values of BX 4 times in such a way that every time a new value 0 will be inserted at LSB location, and the bit stored at first location will move to the second, and second to the third, and so far so on. The bit placed at MSB location will move to the carry flag, and this process will be repeated 4 times. Similarly, there is another instruction that is basically SHR, that is shift right. So this will do the similar effect, but now the shifting will towards right side. So the new bit will be inserted at the location of MSB, and the bit stored at MSB location will move to the next location, and similarly so far so on, and the bit stored at LSB location will move to the carry flag. For example, here you can see that there is an example given in which SHR DX comma CL is written. So basically this shifting right will be done on DX register, and it will be repeated on CL times. Basically whatever value stored in CL, that rotation process, that shifting process will be repeated by that many times as the value present in CL. Then there is another instruction which is known as SAR, which is shift arithmetic right. That instruction basically it will insert the value of MSB to the end, and that value will move to the next location, and similarly on next, second to the third, third to the fourth, and the value stored at LSB location will move to the carry flag. In that case, the new value which is being inserted at a location of MSB will be the same value that is present at MSB. For example, if you start the process and you see that the value 1 0 1 0 is present in that register, so every time that value that is basically present at MSB location will moved in that register from the right side, and that value the 1 will be shifted towards the next bit which is 0, and that 0 is shifted to the next bit which is 1, and same as the rotation happens. So if I shift that 1 0 1 0 4 times, you will see that this register will be replaced by the values 1 1 1 1, and after each execution the value located at LSB will move to the carry flag, and the new value that will be inserted will be the value at MSB location. So here there is an example that is basically SARD at comma CL. So the value will be shifted arithmetically towards the right of DH register, and this process will be repeated by the second operand, which is basically CL. So this process will be repeated as per the value present in CL register.